So today we are going to discuss the case study on the GPRS. So why we have moved to GPRS? What are all the disadvantages in the GSM? Can anyone tell what are all the disadvantages in the GSM?
So in GSM we can only transfer voice name, but while we come to GPRS we can send data and including also.
So mainly we are going to implement the internet concepts in the GPRS. As well as in it is same as that of the GCM, but the one thing is in GSM we are transmitting only the voice data, but in case of the GPRS, along with the voice we are sending the packets of data. So today we are going to see how we are going to implement this GPRS in the mobile access networks.
So while we're speaking about GPRS, General Packet Radio Service, as ma'am said, it also, the main benefit is it transfers data also. So the main goal is to allowing the subscriber to use the internet very efficiently, where they can also access the emails and several mobile applications in an efficient way. The main efficient and objective of the GPRS is where we are going to evaluate and check where it is accessible for in a live environment, and we are also going to test whether while implementing and deployment of GPRS there is any challenges and conditions to acquire GPRS in today's world.
The next is methodologies. We use the research methodology, which is of the three types. One is conducting interviews by group discussions or making an in-person interview with the mobile and networks technical and business team. We tend to get knowledge about how the company works, mobile network works there. And next is group discussions and surveys, by conducting surveys and getting information from the users of the mobile network. We get to know how the data is being transferred and what are all the disadvantages and advantages that the subscribers have been facing. And then the data analysis. Through the company's data, we analyze the methodologies and how the team work, through which we tend to get about their knowledge. We tend to get about how the company works. Through the mix of these methodologies, we get mobile networks agenda of how the company works.
I'm going to list few findings. The GSM technology demonstrated efficient and reliable networks, and introduction of GSM technologies. It has an average speed rate of 30 to 40 kilobytes per second, and it increases the annual increase of 20% per annum. And the main challenges of GSMs are coverage gap, network area, and handset problems. And finally,
So what are all the challenges we are facing and how we are going to improve with the...
And the subscribers reported a high level of satisfaction due to the GSM services.
So I like to conclude this case study. So this case study proved that GSM technology is both technically feasible and commercially viable for mobile internet services. And by implementing the mobile net GPRS, it helped the company to stand out in a competitive market by boosting up the revenue systems and giving the customer satisfaction. So, and this insights can guide future mobile data services and network expansions. And it also highlights the adaptive adopting GPRS benefits for a business growth.
Thank you.